Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. Gas prices are going down tomorrow. A litre of 87 and 90 gasoline will sell for $2.12 less. Automotive diesel is down 82 cents, while ultra-low sulfur diesel is shaving off 69 cents. Kerosene and propane will sell for $1.76 less, while butane is down $2.18. Retailers will add their respective markups to these prices. Oil prices traded higher today. Oil for delivery in December went up by 39 cents to settle at $66.82 a barrel. There's a call this evening for more technology to be integrated in the workplace. The call is being made by a country manager at the Inter-American Development Bank, IDB, Teresa Turner Jones. TVJ's Andrew Laidley reports.
How we work today needs to be augmented by technology in order for productivity to improve.
Unemployment falling, economic growth rising, investments increasing, but productivity lagging. A worrying trend for Jamaica. Country manager at the Inter-American Development Bank, IDB, Teresa Turner Jones, thinks technology could be the answer.
How can we start to be more innovative in how we do things? Because maybe the way we've been doing it for the last 50 years has not made a difference to the output of your company, the productivity of the workers in your company, or how you feel about the work that you're actually doing.
The reality is that economic growth won't materialize at high levels if employees fail to improve their output. Ms. Turner-Jones, putting things into context, mapped out how the economy could take a negative turn if we don't get a handle on things.
In Jamaica, GDP productivity has been declining for the last 30 years. And we know that because productivity improvement from a human side combined with productivity improvement on the capital side, meaning returns to capital, equipment, infrastructure, and all of that, is what improves output performance or growth performance in an economy. So if labor productivity is declining and capital productivity is declining, then you cannot get any growth in the economy.
Productivity has declined at an average rate of 2.1% every year between 1990 to 2010. For the Business Day, I'm Andrew Laidley.
Currency trading ended today with the US dollar selling for $130.29. The Canadian dollar sold for $99.13. The pound is going for $169, while the euro closed the day at $148.80 on average. The JSE index lost 1,201 points today, while the junior market index declined 44 points. Stocks posting gains included Access Financial Services, Caribbean Cream, Elite Diagnostic, General Accident Insurance, Indies Pharma, Jamaica Broilers, and Kingston Wharves. On the losing side were AMG Packaging and Paper, Barita Investments, CAC 2000, Derrimon Trading, Express Catering, Grace Kennedy, Jamaica Producers, Lasco Distributors, and Main Event Entertainment Group. And that's the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. Good evening.